Are you a clay or earthenware lover like me? I highly recommend to try Vitaclay non-toxic smart clay pressure cookers. From making creamiest yogurt to flavorful stew, soup to making rice, you will absolutely love the flavor and texture of your food cooked in Vitaclay. Welcome back to Bhavna's Kitchen and Living. The celebration is still on, and in today's video I have another giveaway for you for hitting the 1 million subscribers milestone for this channel. Very close to, not there yet, but yes, very close to 1 million subscribers. So this is kind of pre-celebration that we are having, and I am going to continue working hard to give you as many discount codes as I can. And in today's video I have brought very special discount for you guys from Vitaclay electric pressure cooker. Now, what is different with this cooker, you must have questioned, because I have been using and sharing other electric pressure cookers with you all. This is very unique. This is something that I have actually been looking forward to, and I never got the idea of this anyway, but thanks to Vitaclay. What is Vitaclay? Is like their pot is made out of clay. Now, if you are a lover of earthen pot cooking or clay cooking like me, this is kind of a great deal that it can cook on its own, no need to babysit. That's the thing that I love about electric pressure cooker, because my office is far from my kitchen, so I really can't be here while something is cooking. And so for me it is very important that I get something that I don't have to like keep on babysitting. So this is the lid. Basically I'm just going to put this on a side, and this is the pot that comes inside this electric case. And so this is the pot, kind of a little heavy, not very light and not very heavy either, so it's great. So what I really love to cook in this kind of a clay or earthen pot is like it makes a huge difference in the taste, like when it comes to cooking rice, making yogurt, cooking porridge, and not just all these recipes, but there are like plenty of other recipes. Basically whatever you cook in your regular stainless steel pot, you can cook in this pot. With just a little extra care and by learning few tips and tricks which are already shared into the books that come with this electric pressure cooker. The recipe book is there as well, and the manual. So I am going to try a few things because I just received and I can't wait to try it out. But this was on my like kind of a dream list, and ever since I heard about this Vitaclay, I just really wanted to try it out and share with you all. In my previous video, I shared about electric pressure cooker book that I have written, the very first and only cookbook I have written. I organized the giveaway for that, and for this pressure cooker you get 20% discount. 20% is a huge discount actually, because normally like you can get 10%, 15%, but 20% that I have tried to work with the brand to give me at least 20% for my followers, you guys, my YouTube family. So please do check out all the details under this video description, and if you are interested in getting one like this for healthy cooking, do check out all the details on their website as well. Now, after reading the manual, I couldn't stop myself making yogurt, because it says that you don't have to boil milk, you don't have to do much effort to prepare yogurt in this Vitaclay electric pressure cooker. And I always wanted to make yogurt actually in a clay pot, so this is the perfect time to try out yogurt. So I'm going to prepare in a small batch just to see how it turns out, because I did try to make like a yogurt without boiling milk in the past with the electric pressure cooker, but it turns out little runny, and I like my yogurt thick. And I have heard that when yogurt is prepared in a clay pot, it turns out thick. So let's try. In your Vita Clay, first mix a little amount of milk and yogurt starter from your last batch of yogurt or store-bought yogurt. If using store-bought, ensure that it has live, meaning active cultures listed in the label. Mix well to combine. Add an additional whole milk to your clay pot and stir to combine. Place the lid on your clay pot and close the cooker. Press the slow cooking key to select the yogurt mode. The default time is 8 hours, but you may increase the cooking time for up to 19 hours. Alright, it's been 8 hours and I'm going to check yogurt now. After 8 hours, I turn off the cooker and let's check how yogurt has turned out. Wow, I am kind of surprised how it has turned out. Looks thick as well. Let's check with a spoon how thick it is. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yum. Now, yogurt is looking great, but let's taste it. Tastes amazing. I actually read into the manual saying that if you try yogurt making with the first method, which is this method, the method making yogurt without boiling milk, you will never go back to traditional method where you boil the milk, you let it cool slightly, and then add yogurt, and you have to have a right temperature to make sure that you don't kill bacteria and stuff like that. So I am quite satisfied and I'm impressed actually that the taste is great, the texture is great. So now on I will have ease making yogurt anytime. So basically, you can just set the yogurt for at night, so the next morning you have yogurt ready. Today I thought of making my traditional Gujarati khichdi in Vita Clay. Khichdi is a very comfy food, whether you make it plain or with some vegetables or by adding few more ingredients to it. You can never go wrong with khichdi. So today I decided to make khichdi in Vita Clay. So let's get started. To prepare khichdi in a Vita Clay, take a cup of rice and a cup of lentil of your choice. I'm using moong dal here. Wash rice and lentils very well until water runs clear. Add about 5 cups of water, a pinch of turmeric, and salt to taste. If desired, clarified butter, ghee can be added. Cover the pot and insert into the smart cooker. Set to brown rice and let Vita Clay do its job. When done, the cooker automatically set to keep warm. Open carefully when ready to serve. Enjoy hot, steamy khichdi. Just to see how it makes the flavor better. And so here I have khichdi ready. The texture looks perfect and I totally love the way it turned out, but let's try how the taste is. Rice turns out aromatic and flavorful in Vita Clay. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. Thank you for watching and see you soon.